Today, I am reviewing the Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The most interesting thing about this machine is the FocusJet technology. It is a three-step process that actually sprays a targeted mist onto the floor before the mop roller gets there. The idea is to soak and loosen stubborn debris like soy sauce or breakfast spills before the roller makes its first pass. In a house with pets or kids, you know how those little spots accumulate. Seeing it in action, it is surprisingly effective because it treats the stain as a problem to be solved rather than just something to wipe over and smear around. It doesn't replace a manual scrub for a truly ancient, rock-hard mess, but for your daily kitchen upkeep, it is a significant step up from standard pad-based mopping. When the robot moves onto a carpet, it uses a system called the Mop Roller Smart cover. This is actually quite clever. Instead of just stopping the mop or lifting it slightly, it physically closes a protective cover over the mop roller. This is the difference between a robot that leaves a damp spot on your rug and one that actually keeps your carpets dry. It is a simple mechanical fix for a problem that has plagued robot mops for years, and it works exactly as you would hope. The transitions between hard floors and carpets are smooth, and you can trust that it isn't going to track dirt or moisture onto your expensive area rugs. The vacuuming side of things is handled by a 22,000 Pascal fan, which is plenty of power for most homes. It handles pet hair, crumbs, and everyday dust without any struggle. The Power Boost Plus technology automatically ramps up that suction when it moves from a hard floor onto a carpet, which is standard for high-end robots, but feels well implemented here. One thing to keep in mind, though, is the noise. When this thing hits max suction, you are definitely going to hear it. It is not an intrusive, high-pitched whine, but it is a distinct motor noise that will remind you it is working. If you have a larger house, you will likely want to schedule the heavy vacuuming for when you are not in the same room. The Omni station is the command center for the entire system, and it is a beast. It washes the mop roller with hot water and then uses 145-degree hot air to dry it, which is essential if you want to keep the machine from developing that sour, damp smell that so often happens with robot mops. It also handles auto-refilling for the robot's water tank, which lets it tackle much larger areas without needing to return to base constantly. The station is bulky, and you should definitely measure your space before you commit to buying it. It is not something you can easily tuck under a low shelf or hide in a tiny corner, so plan for it to have a dedicated spot in your home. Navigation is handled by RGBD AI obstacle avoidance. It does a solid job of identifying things like cables, toys, or even just shoes that were left out in the hallway. In a house with a cluttered layout, it navigates with a surprising amount of grace. It maps out the rooms well and rarely gets confused by things like dark floor grates that sometimes trigger sensors on older models. That being said, you should still do a quick sweep of the floor before you run it. No amount of AI is going to save a robot from a rogue charging cable or a forgotten pair of socks, and the cleaner your floors are to begin with, the more efficient the robot's path planning will be. One limitation you need to be aware of is the Wi-Fi compatibility. The S20 Infinity Ultra only supports 2.4 GHz networks. If your home network is exclusively 5 GHz, you're going to have a hard time getting this set up. Most modern routers are dual band, but it is definitely something you should check before you open the box. It's a bit of a legacy tech choice, and while it doesn't affect the cleaning performance, it is a point of potential frustration. During the initial setup phase, the app is where you manage everything from the water flow levels to the specific cleaning zones. There are a lot of options here, and for some users, that can feel like too much. You can set the robot to deep clean certain areas, adjust the spray intensity for the FocusJet system, and create virtual boundaries. It is powerful, but it does require you to spend a bit of time in the app getting everything dialed in to your specific preferences. If you prefer a press one button and walk away experience, you will need to spend some time setting up a good default cleaning mode first. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, but not non-existent. You'll still need to empty the dirty water tank and occasionally clear out the filter in the Omni station. The dust bag system is convenient, as it means you're not dealing with a messy dust bin every few days, but remember that the station is large and the bags are a consumable you will eventually need to buy. It is a trade-off for the convenience of not having to touch the dust yourself, and for most people, it is a very welcome one. When it comes to who this is for, the S20 Infinity Ultra fits the bill for a busy household where the floors are lived in. It is not a budget machine, and you are paying for the high-end station and the more advanced mopping technology. If you have an open-concept home with a lot of hard flooring and the occasional area rug, this robot really shines. It is designed to handle the stuff that makes a house feel like a home, the kitchen spills, the pet hair, and the daily dust, without you having to intervene. If your home is primarily carpeted, you might be overpaying for a machine that is clearly built with mopping performance as a core priority. If you are currently using an older robot that just drags a damp cloth around, the jump in cleaning quality here is going to be obvious right from the first run. The combination of pre-dissolving the stain and scrubbing with the roller makes the floors feel legitimately cleaner, rather than just wiped down. It is a reliable, high-performing system that takes one of the most tedious household chores and moves it into the background. While the station is large and the price is a real consideration, the amount of time you save on a weekly basis is hard to argue with. It feels like a solid, well-built product that solves real-world problems for real-world homes. Just make sure you have the floor space for the station and a 2.4 GHz network, and you will likely find that it earns its place in your cleaning routine very quickly. It isn't going to replace a full deep scrub of your home every year, but it will certainly keep you from having to reach for that manual mop every time the kitchen gets a little bit messy. It is a genuine improvement in home automation, and for the right buyer, it is an easy recommendation for anyone tired of standard robotic cleaning performance.